Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing passion twist locks, crochet passion twist. So as you can see, the braid pattern, I have it individually braided in the front, but I connected it to the cornrows at the back. Individually braided in the front and connected to the cornrows at the back. So it's called illusion method for the crochet. Basically, you want it to look like you did it individually, and a lot of people actually thought I did it individually while I was rocking this style. So here we go. I'm just hooking the crochet needle facing down and putting in the passion twist into the crochet needle, just like so, taking your time, and yeah, just making that stay down. And I go into the cornrow and I try to fill the perimeters first. I think I only used 3 packs of that the passion twist. I only used 3 packs, so yeah, and it was enough and it looked full. But the trick to it is making sure that your perimeter is covered, and perimeter meaning the front, the side, and to the back. You know, the perimeter of your head, your hair. And while you're there, just click subscribe. It's free. Just subscribe, guys. Support. Let me know if you want to see something. If you have a question about it, I'll answer your questions in the comment as well. But just watch, just look at it and learn. And if you have any questions, you can ask. I was watching a movie, of course, as I usually do, to make these steps easier. But this is what I did. I just cornrowed my own hair going back, individually in the front, connected to the back cornrows, and that's it. I'm laying my edges with the edge booster, style factor edge booster, and this works for me for, you know, it stays down for a little bit of time, for longer than any other edge control stayed down. I'm not even gonna lie, like, it stays down longer as long as I set it. But if I don't set it, it's not gonna stay down. But this works for a little bit of time. I'll say a few hours. It stays down for about five hours. I'll say 4 to 5 hours if I set it. Setting it meaning sometimes I'll put mousse over it, sometimes I have to spray the Odin spray over it, then tie it down. Then when I take it out, I can spray the spritz over it again to tie it down, and it will stay down. Basically, that's the struggle we have to go through to keep our edges laid, sadly. But here we go. Go ahead and like and subscribe, even if it's not for the video, even if it's just for those edges, because I think I did my thing on those edges. So go ahead, like, subscribe, and I will see you again pretty soon. Yes. So join the Radiant family. Thank you, guys. I was feeling myself, of course. I'm feeling myself. Bye-bye. See you next time.